Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract zip files on your PC or laptop. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, find the zip file you want to extract. It will usually have a .zip extension and look like a folder with a zipper. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear from that menu. Choose Extract All. Now a window will pop up asking where you want to extract the files. You can leave it as the default location or click Browse to choose a different folder. Once you've selected the location, click Extract. The extraction process will begin. This might take a few seconds or longer depending on the size of the zip file. Once it's finished, the extracted folder will open automatically, and that's it. You now have access to all the files inside the zip archive. If you want more control or are dealing with other compressed formats, you can also use tools like WinRAR or 7-zip. They're free and easy to install. And that's how you extract zip files on any PC or laptop. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.